Hi guys, my name is Deepak. I'm the one who's taking care of English language at Adhyan Mantra. So, like there was lot of demand from the people that we should again come back and make video on English language. So first of all, I really want to thank all of you for giving such a great response. Look for our videos. These are being really appreciated by everyone. So thank you so much for that. We discussed a lot about different things. So today I just want to see to which extent you have interest in vocabulary. Okay, so आज मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, बहुत बेसिक सी बातें करके चला जाऊंगा. I'll be discussing very very simple basic thing. आपने सामने कुछ वर्ड दिख रहे होंगे, बड़े सिंपल से वर्ड है. तो आज मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ, आज आपको इन सब के जो है बहुत ही बेहतरीन वर्ड बताने वाला हूँ. ये बहुत ही डेली यूज के वर्ड है, विच प्रॉब्ली यू मूविंग आउट ऑफ दिस रूम प्रॉब्ली यू विल स्टार्ट यूजिंग ऑल दीज वर्ड्स. बट मुझे लगता है कि इन्फॉर्म यूज करके फ्लैटरी, बॉटम, टॉप, लायर, इस तरह के वर्ड यूज करके यू विल नॉट गेट दैट थिंग इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज विच कैन गिव यू when you use the standard word of this like inform और flattery. इस बार जैसे top का CTET में आया था कि top का क्या होता है, and then opposite was also very very different one. So I'll let you know about the difficult word of these 10, 15, 12 words which I have written on the board. So बहुत ही simple word है. देखो मैंने कैसे करा है, what I have done in my entire life to have an understanding of English language. First of all, I believe when I am studying grammar, so there is only one part which is being covered is grammar. Second, अगर मैं vocab cover कर रहा हूँ, that is only the vocab like package which is being covered. The third thing is the communication part. Communication part has nothing to do with your vocabulary or probably nothing to do with your grammar part. It is just the way you communicate to the people. Vocabulary can help you out, but I'm not saying the vocabulary is the one which can help you to speak English language. Without having sound vocabulary, you can also speak English language by using the simple words. Okay, and so there are three parts which we can segregate language. So I just would like to see how you are understanding the vocabulary. चलिए ज्यादा will not be wasting so much of time. पहला simple word है inform करना. आप स्कूल में application लिख रहे हैं, this is to inform you that my daughter will not be coming today. Okay, so how will you write? Inform is a very filthy word. Not filthy I would say, but it's a very very simple word. It doesn't show the skills that you have for English language. तो inform के बदले कभी अगर आपको लिखना हो तो वो word आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? This is to apprise you. Apprise का मतलब भी होता है inform करना. और देखिए मेरा मानना यह है, if you can use inform, you can also use apprise. So next time when you write, you have to write apprise. कैसे लिख सकते हैं? How can you write? This is to apprise you that my daughter will not be coming tomorrow. Okay, so this is one way you can use the apprise word. Okay, flattery, स्कूलों में आपको flattery करनी पड़ेगी, प्रिंसिपल की, बॉस की, सबकी flattery करनी पड़ती है. बट flattery के लिए क्या वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं? बहुत सिंपल वर्ड है adulation. Adulation, इसको आप साइकोफेंसी भी बोल सकते हैं. बॉस की एड्यूलेशन करनी पड़ती है, बॉस की साइकोफेंसी करनी पड़ती है. देखिए फ्लैटरी बोलकर आज तक कुछ मिला नहीं है हमें. Nobody has appreciated because we have used multiple times the flattery word. But the moment we start using the adulation or psychophancy kind of word, this gives a huge respect in the society. Okay, and this actually tells the kind of vocabulary you have. Okay, so bottom के लिए क्या word use करते हैं? CTET में इस बार ये था vocabulary के अंदर. Okay, so what will you use bottom? बॉटम को हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं नैदर. नैदर, जैसे अगर इफ आई वुड से यार अब उसको तो रिटायरमेंट ले लेनी चाहिए, ही इज एट द नैदर ऑफ इट्स करियर. खासकर ये उनके लिए बोला जाता है, क्रिकेटर्स होते हैं, पॉलिटिशियंस होते हैं, हु आर रियली नॉट परफॉर्मिंग वेल, दे आर एट द नैदर ऑफ देयर करियर. लाइक लाल कृष्ण अडवाणी वॉज द नैदर ऑफ इट्स करियर, सो ही डिसाइडेड टू कम आउट ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स. नैदर व्हेन यू आर एट द low stage of the politics, or probably you are not being appreciated by someone, or I am not saying the Lal Krishna Advani is not being appreciated, don't take it otherwise. Okay, so means what I am trying to say is if someone is on the age of retirement or at the bottom of something, that can be used as nather. Congress party in 2014 was at the nather of its political career because they scored only 44. Okay, so that can be used as nather. Inform के लिए क्या बोल सकते हैं? Apprise you. This is to apprise you that I am going to resign. This is, I really never like to do any kind of adulation to my bosses. Adulation, चापलूसी. अच्छा, टॉप के लिए सीटेट में वर्ड आया था zenith. ZENITH. Okay, it can also be used as pinnacle. Pinnacle था CTET में एक्चुअल में, PINNACL. You're at the zenith of its career, top of his career. Apex, APEX. Virat Kohli is at the apex of his career. Okay, so these kind of words can be used when you are talking to the people. Please do not use top, bottom. This shows the garibi of English. Okay, it shows you are not very good at English language. Okay, so liar, आपको हर second day you said it to so many people that he's a liar, he's a liar. All politicians are liar. They are just all are giving lame excuses. They all are coming out with their platitude in their language. So they are all are sometimes we say all are liars. तो लायर के लिए जो आजकल वर्ड है बहुत ही फेमस है, मंडाशियस. MENDACIOUS, मंडाशियस. अगर मुझे बोलना है यार ऑल पॉलिटिशियंस आर लायर, सो आई कैन सिंपली से ऑल पॉलिटिशियंस आर मंडाशियस. ओके, सो अगर किसी को आपको बोलना है आज व्हाट्सएप पे जरा मैसेज कर देना, लाइक क्या व्हाट यू आर मंडाशियस. ओके, दिस इज द वे. But please start using it. Once you start using it, you have a very sound knowledge of everything. Please try to implement it. Just do not keep it for yourself. Just pass on to the people. Knowledge improves only by sharing. Okay, so please pass on to the people. Liar is the one who are mendacious. Reserved होता है जिसको हम बोलते हैं reticent. अगर कोई कम बोलता है तो उसको आप क्या बोल सकते हो? He is quite reticent. RETICENT. Okay, so reticent can be the one who does not speak much, who is probably kind of a reserved kind of a person. Okay, so अगर कोई बंदा कम बोलता है तो आप क्या बोलते हो? यार he is the one who is quite reticent in speaking. Okay, बहुत ज्यादा बोलने वाले के लिए आप loquacious वर्ड का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. LOQU. ठीक है, LOQUACIOUS, loquacious. Verbose, he is verbose. So this can be used for the talkative one. Please start using it. Very very important. Then you start using all these kind of words. Okay, so bribe India का बड़ा famous word है. ठीक है, since beginning this has been the famous word. Bribe के लिए जो आजकल word चलता है वो क्या चलता है पेपरों में? Kickback. Who received the kickback in Augusta Westland case? Who received the kickback in the Rafael case? Who received the kickback in that particular case? तो kickback is kind of a रिश्वत जो किसी को दी जाती है कोई काम करने के लिए. Okay, so it can be used that kickback was paid to police wala to get my license back. Okay, so kickback can be used to for the रिश्वत one. Okay, very very important word on the right side for the English language, can help you out in any of the standard exams. Okay, but how to use it? Just start using it in your daily conversation. Like आपको बोलना यार बॉस की तो थोड़ी बहुत एडुलेशन करनी पड़ेगी. ओके, ही इज एट द नेदर ऑफ इट्स करियर. विराट कोहली इज एट द जेनिथ ऑफ इट्स करियर. ओके, ही इज mendacious. ओके, आई एम क्वाइट रिजर्व्ड इन नेचर. आई एम क्वाइट garrulous when it comes to speaking. If I ever get a chance to speak English language, I become quite garrulous. I am quite verbose. It's very difficult for me to stop at one point of time because speaking will improve only through speaking. There are a lot of people focusing on grammar part to speak English language. That's a blunder. And there are a lot of people thinking that if I have very good vocabulary, then they can do the speaking. Most of the people do speaking with the help of very simple words. Okay, if you are graduate, you know all those simple words. The only excuse that we have with us is that we don't want to speak. The confidence level is missing. Okay, so please start speaking whenever you get the opportunity to speak. Like today I got the opportunity, I am speaking right in front of you. Okay, so postmortem भी कई बार आता है, बहुत ज्यादा फेमस वर्ड है. इसके लिए आजकल वर्ड चलता है autopsy. Okay, autopsy is being conducted and then it will come to know that how the murder happened. Okay, so autopsy conduct करना means कि just to like doing the postmortem of a particular body. Okay, request, बहुत common word है request. I request you. Okay, so I request you, how can you beautify it? How can you embellish this particular word? Saying through request means it looks you know English language but you are still poor in English. Okay, so when you want to say request, there are 2-3 words which you can use. One is entreat, second one is supplicate, and third one you can use is beseech. although there are multiple words to say one word. So entreat, beseech, supplicate. Okay, these are the words that can be used for request. Just say suppose you're writing an application for your daughter and you say, I request you to provide 2 days leave. So simply you can write, I beseech you, I entreat you to provide 2 days leave. This is to apprise you that my daughter will be on leave. Okay, so I entreat you to provide 2 day, leave. That actually shows that parents are more educated as compared to other one. Okay, so this is very, very good way of writing English language. Please flaunt it. People will come to know only when you flaunt it. Okay, चलिए, the scold is किसी को rebuke करना. स्कोल्ड करना इज रिब्यूक करना, डांटना. अगर मैं बोलूं अपब्रेड करना, एडमोनिश करना. ठीक है, देयर आर एन नंबर ऑफ वे ऑफ राइटिंग, like I am admonishing you last time. If you speak Hindi, right in front of me. Okay, so last time admonish कर रहा हूं. If you speak Hindi, it mean last time warn कर रहा हूं, डांट रहा हूं. ठीक है, scold का rebuke, upbraid, admonish, right? अपब्रेड की स्पेलिंग UPBRAID, admonish ADMONISH. Okay, and the one beggar, the most, like the person who can be seen in every street, or probably one of the flourishing businesses in India. The people are doing business of begging. Okay, so it's not that they are needy, but they are doing some kind of business. Okay, so what is the common word is beggar, and what is the standard word for beggar? That is called mendicant. MENDICANT, mendicant. Okay, so whenever you see a beggar right in front of you, तो आप अपने दोस्त को बोल सकते हैं, यार don't give any money to mendicants. Okay, they are doing the business. Okay, so mendicant is a standard word for beggar. Okay, so I have given you 10-15 words today, and these are very, very important. I would suggest you that if you really want to improve your communication skills, if you have that kind of zest for English language, okay, it's all about the enthusiasm for English language, because any language can be covered only when you have the interest in that particular language. Okay, so please, humble request to everyone, please start using all the words which is on the right side in your daily language, in your daily conversation, whenever you get the opportunity. I'll be coming out with more other words. I'm writing 3 words on the board just for your knowledge. Please find out the meaning and tell me in the comment section. Okay, so first word we have is miser. What do you understand by miser? Okay, very, very common word. The other word is frugal. The third one is prodigal. Please find the meaning. Very common word of English language. Okay, so this is all from my side. Okay, so we'll again meet you. Thank you so much for your showing a great response to our video. If you keep motivating us, definitely we'll keep in touch with you for everything. I'm not able to reply to all comment sections, so extremely sorry for that. And sometimes people are not able to understand my writing as well, and extremely sorry. This is a doctor writing. I probably won't be able to do anything regarding this. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm repeating the entire video in English as well. So please let me know in comment section if you have any problem. We definitely would be able to help you out or sort out your all problems. Okay, so thank you so much for again like watching this video and coming on YouTube for us. Okay, thank you so much.